Yep.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we're good.
Ooh, don't wait for a fat mouth.
I don't think I should try to grab this guy personally.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Here, I'll bite the rod. You got it? The rod's off? Yeah. Oh, I thought you broke. No, it's still attached.
That was crazy. You're alright?
I think so.
Alright, get that camera going.
It's still rolling, I think. It's still rolling, buddy.
Yeah, I'll get that one.
Okay, buddy.
60 tied this one. I think actually, you can probably grab it.
Okay, maybe Maddie should help. Here.
Shambles. Awesome. I like it inside.
Alright, finger.
Might be able to just pop it. Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking shit.
Yeah, look at all this shit.
Profession you chose, my friend.
I guess I did.
Oh,
Yes, I did. Look at all that blood and shit and nasty.